go 175? Maybe that's cool. Oh, maybe not. Nice. Good evening, everybody. We're here at the Longhorn. Check it out. I'm loving that. Let's see what we can do. Let's start off. No, let's go 10 cents. Oh, we need some volume. All right, $5. Oh, we gotta change this, right? Can we? Kitties. Where do I go? 175. Maybe that's cool. Oh, maybe not. Nice. Something. $41. Not much, but hey, we'll take it. Maybe some lanterns. Wow, let's go 1, 5. Let's see what happens. 250. Major time. Do it. 250. Come on, kitties. Ding. Oh. Come on now. Do it this time. Man, those are huge numbers. More? Yeah, one more. Alright, 2 cents. Let's go 5. See what happens. Get some games. 250. Come on now. Let's get a big game. Alright. One more. Let's see what happens. Nada. Let's go to 5. Let's try 625. Do it. Get in the heads. Let's see what happens. 50 of it. Oh, I didn't. Should have done it. Let's keep going. Back to back, everybody. Oh, Tracy, thank you. I'll get you taken care of. Yeah, thank you. I think it's out.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll bring you fresh one.
No worries.
Got water?
All right, 10 cents. Let's go 5. Gotta coax it out of this machine.
Jose, your tables ready?
Oh, you all went by. Turks. Stick some. $10. All right. Come on. All right, let's try 750. Oh, seriously? Again? All right, here we go. Come on, let's get some games. Games. Oh, you went right by, man. Big numbers. Come on, games. Oh, right there again. Oh my. Come on, guys. It's a good hit.
It was.
Yeah.
3 Myers.
Yeah, that's a good one.
3 Myers and a 75.
Yeah.
Actually, that's 150.
That's awesome, man. Oh, come on. Right there. $2. Damn. Trying everything. Come on! All right, get lucky. All right, did not get lucky. Gonna put in another 3 here. And then we're gonna go. Gonna get up there. Go. We're doing 10. Let's start off with these. See if we can get lucky. All right, come on now, take it. Let's do it. We're gonna double up this. Here we go.
Hey, baby, sit on go back.
Come on, baby. Do a few of these. One more after this, I think. One more. One more. Yeah, not there. Ah, shoot. It's not there. Okay, let's go $12.50. Dink! Come on, beautiful. Really? Come on now. All right. One more. One more. Nothing. All right. $12.50. You make it happen. Dink! There we go. Come on, dunk it in. Come on, Miner. One more. Uno más. Come on, stick in some big ones. Do it. Bing, 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 bing. Come on, Major. Come on, Minor.
More.
That's right. Come on, Grand. Grand time, baby. Do it. Do it right now. Bing. All right, everybody. We got our money back. Let's see. Can we get a back-to-back bonus? Make it happen. Oh, all the goodness went back. Oh, our neighbor got a back-to-back bonus. That's awesome. Congrats. Ding, ding! Oh, there should have been 3. Come on, you. Let's try 750. Games. $40. Looking for those games. Bring your friends.
Yep, it was out.
Oh, was it?
Yep.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. Turds all day. Come on, little happy lanterns. Ding! There we go. Nice. See some words up in here. Words. One? Just one? One. All right. Another one. 3 of them. Come on! Words. Bing boom. Just one more. Keep it going. All right. All right. Come on. Smack it in. Do it. Right there. All right. Not bad. 165. Let's keep this party going. Party train. Back to back. Almost. Let's go 1250. Oh, they went by. Come on. All 5 of you.
Your table is ready in the restaurant.
Oh, they're coming around. Come on. One more. All right. Oh.
Burger meat, party of 3, your table is ready in the restaurant.
5.
Party of 2, your table is ready in the day.
Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Well, we made $1, but that was fun. I enjoyed that. See if we can get it next time. At least, just not feeling it right now. So see what happens after this. Take it easy. Have a great evening. Bye.